Hello viewers, welcome back to the channel. So we made it to Devon on Friday, which was 2 days ago, and we have come to Bideford Railway Heritage Centre, which is in the centre of Bideford. And it's a small station with track still in situ, and they sometimes run with the diesel locomotive, which is called Planet, up and down the line just down there. I'm going to walk you over the track, cross the crossing, so they've still got coaches here on display. I'll take you down here. This station is quite famous for Top Gear train race with James May and against the Germans, and they did a race to here from Barnstable, which is down that way. I'm going to take you over this bridge, which is the bridge connecting Barnstable and Bideford. That's Bideford over there. Now I'll take you to this old station. So they aren't running diesel, which is fine. One of the days next week, I'm planning the West Somerset and then also the Bodmin and Wentford, so we'll get some action of proper trains on some lengthy journeys. Yeah, so this is the old station, which is really good. I'll walk back up to the station in a moment. Let's just explore this down here. So we've got a signal still in situ as well, and it's up for trains, but obviously there's no trains coming today because there's no track. Let's take a walk back up here. I think the signal box, we've got about 20 minutes before the Heritage Centre closes, so I think we can go in the signal box and have a little tour around there. I'm probably going to just pause the video just so we get back to the signal box, and then when we get into the signal box I'll start videoing again and we'll have a look around the signal box. But for a first visit to the Bideford Railway Heritage Centre, I'm very impressed. Speak to you soon. Hello viewers, I'm back. We are now in Bideford signal box. I'll just zoom the camera out so there's a full wide view. I've operated these levers. In fact, I'll do one now. So the levers are fully operational, but they're not connected to the signals. It tells you all about the history of the station and the line to Barnstable. If you press this bell, you get the bell. And this is the history. Quite recently they've done an event like the Atlantic Coast Express. Last train to, I think it's Howell in 1965. Those are all the old things. 34019 West Country class is probably Bideford, I'm guessing. This here is Instow. I'm now going to take you over to the visitor centre, which is back in a minute. Hello viewers, I'm back. We are now standing in front of Planet diesel locomotive, which is operational, and they use it on occasional dates, just running up and down the track. Must be a railway cat there. I'm going to take you down the track just to show you where the railway runs to and from. Go over the track. So we take a walk down here. It's an old railway wagon. Walking down here, we've still got lots of track in situ. We've still got the signal in situ, obviously. They changed the points. Sometimes, of course, they're locked at the moment. I think they only run on special events, but still doesn't matter about looking at the history of the route. Let these cyclists go past and then we'll carry on.
Well, Amos, the dinghy bell is just you warning people you're coming. It doesn't apply to them to get out of your way.
Right, they've gone past. We'll now go over this bridge. First bridge down here, and we've got another bridge which takes you down to Instow and that. I'll just put the phone through here, have a look at the track. Turn you round. Looking back up to Bideford station. Carry on down here, see where the takes us. Bideford is gorgeous. Came the other night and the lights were lit up on the quayside. So they do use this line. If they were to ever use it, I'd like to come to one of the days that they're running that. We're coming to the end of the line now. I'd say it's only a few hundred yards, not even a mile. Probably might be a mile or two. We'll get some more action when we go to the Western Railway and the Bodmin and Wentford. But as I said in my previous video, this is a family holiday, so it will not all be about trains. But I'll do my best to stick anything I can in while exploring Devon. So here we are, coming to the end of the line now, and there's no way to get any visiting engines in here. So here we are at the buffers. Some cyclists are coming past, so I'll let them go past. Some more cyclists coming past. It's a busy route for cyclists, which is good.
Oh, yeah.
Okay viewers, we'll now make our way back up to Bideford station, and then that'll be the end of this video for today. I hope you've enjoyed this video of Bideford Railway Heritage Centre. It's been a pleasure to film again. Didn't film for a couple of days ago on the weekly update. Just take a walk up here. It's nice and warm. If we do go out to see Instow, I'm sure I'll make a video there, explore that part of the route. and then same with Barnstable. At Barnstable there is a railway which connects Barnstable and Exeter. So walking back up here now, just check there's no one behind me, which there isn't. Walking now, the cyclist coming, so I'll just move over to the right. You can have a look at Planet, the diesel locomotive, or just the railway. So I'll just let the cyclists get past. I don't want to be walking in that way while I'm filming. We'll just walk up to the signal box and then that'll be goodbye for today. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please feel free to like, comment and subscribe. Follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All links are in the description below. Hope you've enjoyed this video at Bideford Railway Henry Centre. Thanks very much for watching and goodbye.